Okay, friends, it's time for the next reading skills lesson. The other day we talked about the sound, and we talked about how our lips stay together when we make that sound. We also drew a picture of that sound. Letter M says Well, today we have a new sound. Listen carefully. Ah, ah. Can you make that sound? Good job. Notice the shape of my mouth. Ah. And when you make the sound, put your hand under your chin. Ah. And notice how your hand drops down because your jaw drops down. This is a special sound called a vowel sound. And with all the vowel sounds we're going to learn, our jaw, always drops down. So my mouth is open and my tongue is resting at the bottom of my mouth, kind of toward the front. Ah. Listen to these words that begin with the ah sound. Apple, atom, axe, astronaut. Each time my jaw dropped down and my mouth opened up. Let's play that game again where you give a thumbs up if you hear the ah sound at the beginning of the word, but if I say a word that doesn't begin with the ah sound, give a thumbs down. Close your eyes so you can just listen with your ears. Here we go. Add, mit, at, after, bit, attic, act, kit, apple, it, egg, axe. Ooh, there were a couple of tricky ones at the end. Let's do them together with our eyes open, and I'll use my thumb to help. Add, mit, at, after, bit, attic, act, kit, apple, it, egg, axe. I think the hardest one there was egg, wasn't it? Egg, notice the difference, egg, apple. There's a little bit of a difference between those words. Egg does not start with the ah sound. Good job. Did you know lots of times the ah sound is in the middle of the word instead of at the beginning? Listen for the ah sound in the middle of these words. Cap, nap, cat, mat, flap, snap, sack. Do you see my jaw going down every time when I say the ah sound in the middle of these words? Now look at these pictures and say the name of the picture and notice how your jaw goes down when you say ah in the middle of these words. So how do we make the picture that represents the ah sound? Do you already know? It looks like this. Uppercase A and lowercase a. They make the ah sound. Let's practice that uppercase A first with our fingers. You're going to start at the top, big line down, jump up, big line down, little line across. Do it again. Big line down, jump up, big line down, little line across. And now let's do the lowercase a. It actually starts with a magic C. It's a C that turns into an A. So start with a C, little line up, little line down. Start with a C, little line up, little line down. Good job. Here's how it looks on paper. Okay, for uppercase A, I'm going to start at the top. Big line down, jump up, big line down, little line across. Big line down, jump up, big line down, little line across. And now let's do lowercase a. Remember, it starts with a C. Start with a C, little line up and down. Start with a C, little line up and down. Did you see that magic little C in there? Look, the C becomes an A. Guess what, friends? Now that we know the A sound and the sound, we get to learn our first flash word. Flash words are words that we don't have to memorize because we can sound them out. We've also been learning heart words. Those are ones we have to memorize by heart because they have some tricky parts in them, like the word love, which has an O instead of a U and an E at the end that we don't even say. Love is a heart word. Me is a heart word too. But this next word is a flash word because we can read it in a flash. Look at this word here. Am. Blend it together. Am. I am Mrs. Cooley. That's the word am. You can sound it out in a flash when you know the sounds that each letter makes. Great job learning the A sound, everybody. And now we're going to get some practice writing the letter A to draw the picture of the A sound.